Okay, we've come across this area and it's too dirty to work. But I thought everyone would like to see something I haven't seen before. So the old timers have built their mines and they've reinforced the walls. But not just to reinforce the walls, but swing their tarp across the side of it, and that was their home because they didn't leave their mine. And this is all very, very rich country. It's just really quite amazing, isn't it? Now, they didn't leave quite as much of an impact as the big holes in the ground. Isn't that amazing? And the work in that wall is amazing. And these were done in the late 1800s. I wish a few of the brickies I know could do a drywall like this. Yeah, that's workmanship. By the way, everyone, it's about 35, 36 degrees.